is for doll. D is for elephant. E is for elephant. F is for frog. F is for frog. G is for goat. G is for goat. H is for hen. H is for hen. I is for ink. I is for ink. J is for jam. J is for jam. K is for key. L is for leaf. L is for leaf. L is for leaf. M is for moon. M is for moon. N is for net. N is for net. O is for owl. O is for owl. P is for pot. P is for pot. Q is for quilt. Q is for quilt. R is for rose. R is for rose. S is for star. S is for star. T is for toy. T is for toy. U is for